Yo, how's it going, you guys? It's Market Scraper, and this is Tesla stock right here. And we can see with Tesla stock, we had a significant down day. And however, Tesla stock has been pretty strong for quite some time. We're staying above all the moving averages. We have broke a little bit of a trend recently that we have here. If you connect these lows, actually, and that's all in all. But so two things with Tesla stock that just jump out to me immediately is that we can see that we do have this gap right here. So I wouldn't be surprised if we actually see this gap fill, maybe come Monday. We see this gap fill, but I am expecting a reversal here. I think that we're going to go to the upside. I think this was an overreaction to the downside, basically a risk-off moves in the market, basically, for 9/11 coming up, the 25th anniversary, for many different things happening here. I do think we're going to go to the upside. I'm not saying that this is the bottom because first of all, I do think we're going to fill this gap here before moving higher. So expect, and pure speculation, but I'm expecting a move to the downside, maybe early in the session, followed by a move to the upside, something like that. I'm not exactly sure. No one knows how this is going to play out, of course, but I wouldn't be surprised to see that happen. Maybe that doesn't happen Monday. Maybe it happens Tuesday. Who knows? But basically, we're seeing this happen. I expect higher prices. I think we're going to go back into a move to the upside. I don't think this move is over here, but we have to be paying attention because if we are expecting a move to the downside, it wouldn't be crazy for us to go all the way down and retest this 20-period moving average as this rises a little bit. So that wouldn't be so surprising as well. So there's a few different ways this plays out. Again, we have this gap fill. We have the 20-period moving average to the downside. Are we just going to fill this gap? Or are we going to go all the way back down and bounce off this 20-period moving average before moving higher? These are things that we're going to have to see play out, but we are expecting lower prices, and at the same time, we are expecting higher prices as well. We expect to go up. We don't expect this to break down, and we can take a look also at Palantir stock. We can see Palantir stock bounced beautifully off of, I believe this is the 20-period moving average right here, beautifully. So that was very nice, and we can see that we're holding strong up here, and so this is interesting. And I think that we're going to continue to move higher. In my last update about Palantir stock, I said that, and I reminded basically of my stance that basically on a bigger picture of Palantir stock, I've been saying that instead of this downward move that we had in the past, I'm expecting from the bottom over here that we're having this upward move. And this is also why I bought so heavily in options while we were down here. So what does that mean? Basically, I'm saying that I'm not saying that we're going to go to the moon anytime soon, which is a possibility, of course, but I'm not saying that that's necessarily going to happen. I'm just saying that I think that we're going to break this high over here. And breaking this high also means we're finally going to fill this gap over here. In addition, could we even move higher? Yeah, we could also potentially visit this gap over here. These are the two areas that I'll be paying attention to, but I'm just expecting a higher high. It doesn't mean it's going to happen. It's just in terms of the structure, I think that we're going to have a bullish structure. We're having these higher highs and higher lows. So the higher low over here, and I think we're going to make a higher high. I'm not sure how higher of a high we're going to make, but that's kind of what I'm expecting with Palantir stock. Well, I hope you guys got some value from this content. If you haven't already, feel free to smash that like button, subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.